Hi. So this is gonna serve as my answer to what advice would I give myself for the 1T. In my previous video, I would say I would give the same advice I would give to incoming 1S students, which what I did was my advice for the 1S student was be creative, come to class on time, make connections both with the students and the teacher, and make connections and turn everything in on time. I guess this would be the same advice for myself. Why sometimes I don't follow it, I don't know. But I would think that making connections with friends, I can go further into that. It's by keeping their connections I already have and making new ones. Not only that, a big thing I would give advice to myself for is keeping everything organized. As of right now, if you open my backpack, you find broken pencils, ripped papers. No bueno. No. I'm probably gonna have to buy multiple binders next quarter. And then I think another advice I would give myself would be give yourself more time to write essays. Although I do give myself generally enough time, I always find myself writing the final draft like the day, like 2 days prior, and just typing it up and not even looking over it again. So I would probably say look over essays over and over and over again. Because when I turn it in, I think it's perfect, but I get it back and there's minor errors I could have fixed by just reading it over and over again. So that would be an advice to myself. Read your essays, read everything you do. This is a 1T class, it's more advanced, it's not like English 209. You can't just turn in stuff that's not of quality work, which is what I feel Ms. Fernandez tries to imply to us, and I get it now. I know what you mean. So yeah. For the creativity part of it, I honestly don't know what we're gonna do for the 1T class, but I'm gonna try. I'm big about creativity. If you tell me to draw something, I'll draw it. It might not be the prettiest thing, but I'll draw it. So whatever we do in Ms. Fernandez's class, I think I'm gonna throw some creativity into that. You know, it's most likely it's not gonna hurt it. It's just gonna enhance whatever you're doing. So yeah, throw your creativity onto whatever you're doing. Go spend enough time to study. When I come home, I know I'm just gonna go to watch TV. So I think next quarter, instead of me coming straight home, I'll probably just go to a library and sit there for a few hours just doing homework, catching up on my other classes, and really looking for further research on the topics we might be learning in English 1S or 1T. So yeah, be creative, stay on point. Pretty much the same advice that I gave incoming English 1S students, just further enhance into that. So if you didn't know, I'm a McDonald's. So yeah, so just enjoy what you're doing, have fun doing it. I hope I'm not too scared. Don't be too scared for English 1T. Depends. Seeing how English 1S right now, I honestly am not afraid of 1T. I'm actually excited to go into that class now. I know we're going to be doing a lot of assignments. I know it's going to be a lot of work, but Ms. Fernandez is gonna help make that work more exciting, more fun. So yeah, so this is my video diary. What advice I would give myself for the 1T class. Yeah, thank you.